It's reasonable, isn't it?
I think it's great.
Thank you. We need your confirmation.
I think it's great. Nine trades, I've taken 9 trades, no big deal. If you're in a zone, then fine. I don't think there's a rule. I honestly don't think there's a rule as to how many trades you should take, except if you're losing. If you're losing, you definitely need to quit after a certain amount of trades.
Exactly.
But if you're winning and the market is keep giving you this banquet, then keep eating. For 9 trades and to not be red, I guess is a positive. I would hope that you would be up a little bit more than just a little bit. So maybe that you need to work on the entries and just kind of take a breath and calm down a little bit.
Yeah, it's right. But if you see those 4 trades, it took me out at break even, and then there's 2 losses, and then there's 3 wins. So I'm just up 1 trade basically, and the break even plus 1.
Okay.
But I have the last one trailing, and this one is up already 7 points. So
beautiful.
And this is my last trade for the day.
Beautiful.
There you go. There you go.
So I'm just thinking where to put the stop now, right? I guess I put it right at 92. If it goes below this little support.
I'd put the stop at 91.
91.
Because you can see that's the neck of the double bottom there.
And it's really, with trading, I also have one thing that I thought to get rid of when I stopped acting, is like, it really determines my mood. If I'm doing good, I'm just in a super mood. If I'm doing bad, I'm really in the bad mood. I'm trying to get rid of this. Yeah,
you have to manage that. It should be an even emotion across the board. Because if you let your emotions go up and down like that, it's going to affect your trading. You really shouldn't give a shit if you lose. You really just shouldn't, but you definitely want to manage those entries a little bit better and manage your emotions. It's okay to be mad but only mad, not because you lost, mad or upset if you didn't perform well. That's a good reason to be mad. But then you have to slough it off and say, okay, I'm going to get you next time.
Yeah, sounds easy.
Right?
That comes with time and experience, but it'll come. I hope it comes. You'll be a rock star trader if you can just manage those emotions.